Ollie Morgan and Brody Hudson face groomer Buster Smith in court as he tries to escape justice. The news everybody has been dreading soon reaches the Hollyoaks village as the date for imprisoned child groomer Buster Smith's plea hearing has been set. Arch-villain Buster is determined and readying himself to use the legal system to con his way out of a lengthy spell in a cell. Anxiety-ridden victims Ollie Morgan and Brody Hudson are forced to face their evil abuser once again when Ollie receives a letter summoning him to court to do battle with the man who used his position of authority to abuse him. Facing hearing his predator's heinous lies alone after Dad Luke Morgan's incarceration, cheating Darren Osborne reaches out to offer the lonely teen some long-craved emotional support. Enraged that Darren could rip his family apart with no remorse, Ollie explodes, letting out weeks of pent-up rage, and turns to fellow sufferer Brody to lean on as the pressure mounts. Damon Kinsella learns that his devil dad is planning on putting the young lads through even more suffering by pleading not guilty and scamming his way out of a well-deserved sentence. He soon pays a visit to the banged-up felon and tries to manipulate a confession out of him. The day of the hearing arrives and Damon convinces best friend Brody to attend and face his demons to support a shaken Ollie. In the wake of the fateful day, the poor boy is left so traumatized he erupts once again, this time shouting at a jolted Brooke half away as she tries to cheer him up. Saddled with even more guilt after viciously turning on his friend, he desperately tries to apologize and make amends for his latest explosion of feelings. As Ollie continues to push everyone away and firmly remain in the grips of anger, Brody receives some words of wisdom from Sienna Blake which inspire him to testify against Buster himself and heads to the police station to make a damning statement against him. Will Damon get a confession out of his disgraced dad? Will the case reach trial? Can Ollie and Brody cope with listening to Buster's hideous lies? Will they get the justice and closure they both need and deserve? Thanks for watching SoapBuster, YouTube's daily soap news and spoilers show.